Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix a 408 request timeout error, then let's look at the solutions. So the first thing that we should be looking at is the status of the server of the site that we're trying to access. So in the search bar, let us search for server status checking tool. Okay, we'll find a lot of websites. We can access anyone that we find convenient. So I will go to this website, small SEO tool, server status checker. And let us take an example that I'm Facebook is showing me this 408. I'm trying to access Facebook and the site is showing me 408 request timeout error. So I need to enter the URL of Facebook, that is https www.facebook.com/ and I will check the server status, and it shows me that the status is good. Now, if that is good, then I should probably be having a speed issue. So I will check my internet speed using a website like fast.com, and my server speed is around say 200, which is excellent. But you need a minimum speed of at least 20 megabytes per second. If it is below 20 megabytes, then you have a problem with your connection and you need to connect with your internet service provider. The only other solution is to use a different browser. So if you're using Chrome, then you can, if you're getting the error message, you can look for the same in Edge and it should work. If it doesn't work in different browsers, then you just have to wait, because it most probably could be that there is a problem with the page itself. uh, the page could be down for so many other reasons, so you just have to wait. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.